In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress PDF file size using free online tools. If your PDF is too large to email, upload, or share, a quick compression can make a big difference without changing the content of the file. I'll walk you through 2 free online options and a built-in method that doesn't require the internet, so you can pick what works best for your situation. First, let's use iLovePDF. Open the iLovePDF website in your browser and upload your PDF. Once it loads, look for the compression level settings. Choose Extreme Compression to get the smallest possible file size. This option aggressively reduces image data and flattens elements, which is ideal when size matters most. After selecting Extreme Compression, click Compress PDF. When it's done, download the new file and compare it to the original. Check the file size to confirm the reduction and quickly scan a few pages, especially those with images or graphics, to make sure the visual quality still meets your needs. It's a good idea to keep a backup of the original in case you need full quality later. Next, try PDF Gear. This free online tool doesn't require registration or an email address, which makes it fast and convenient. Open the PDF Gear site and upload your file. Under the compressing option, select Low Compression. Then click Compress. Low compression preserves more detail, so text stays crisp and images look cleaner, but the file reduction will be more modest. Once processing finishes, download the compressed PDF and check that it opens correctly and looks clear. If your goal is to reduce size without noticeably changing how the document appears, this is a solid choice. Finally, here is a built-in method you can use offline. Open your PDF in your preferred browser or PDF viewer. Go to Print, and for the printer selection, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. This will create a new PDF and can sometimes flatten layers, embedded fonts, or transparency, which may reduce the file size. Save the new file with a different name so you can compare it to the original. Be aware that interactive features like form fields, annotations, or bookmarks might not carry over exactly the same. So review the result if your document relies on those. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.